How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear mini light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll have a connector. And this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your cig-plug here for power, and then you'll have your backlight cable here, and then you'll have your aux line here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your optional grand control box. Now with your grand control box, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here, so you will have dual flash pattern memory. Then you'll have your flash pattern changer here, your side takedown button, your aux button, your dim function, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, and your backlight button. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my grand control where I'll have my power button, and then my mode 1 button where I have one flash pattern saved, and then mode 2 where I have a second flash pattern saved. So you will have dual flash pattern memory. And then you'll have your pattern changer here, which works whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2. And then you have your side takedown button, which will activate your 2 side takedowns in the secondary color ordered of your light bar. And then you'll have your aux button here. And then you have your dim function, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar. And then you have your backlight button here. And you can activate your red backlight LEDs on your switch box via the button, or you can hardwire your backlight LEDs. Now I did bring an amber clear color model here for example, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a red blue color unit up top, and then in the middle I brought a green clear, and then on the bottom I brought an amber clear. Now we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor, and we do also have our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now a really cool feature with our multicolor mini bars is you can run your light bar in your multicolor, primary, or secondary colors by using the built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I brought a red, blue, amber color unit. So in mode 1, I'm running one of my multicolor flash patterns. And then in mode 2, I went ahead and programmed one of the primary color flash patterns. So since this is a red, blue, amber bar, my primary color is red, blue. Now if I wanted to switch this to the secondary color, I'd go ahead and cycle to the secondary color flash patterns, and that would save in mode 2. And then in mode 1, I still have my multicolor flash pattern programmed. So you do have that capability to run your unit in multicolor, primary, or secondary by using your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here. And you can do that with our optional grand control, or you can hardwire if you'd like to. When it comes to using our optional grand control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire. Now if you use your white cable to hardwire, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or the button on your control box. Now to mount your mini bar, you'll have your included magnetic feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And we also offer our optional headache rack brackets and our optional stud mounts. And to mount these, you'll remove your magnetic feet and use the existing hardware on your light bar. So that covers our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear mini light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.